Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to link Discord to Fivem server. So let's get right into it. Just simply we have to go on settings and here we have to go with connections. Here you will see multiple servers you want to link. Just look at here. If you don't see any of Fivem icon, then you have to hit on this cross and go to new tab. Right here Fivem and go with the first link. Now you have to hit on download. Once it will be download into your laptop or computer, then you have to go back into your Discord account, and this time you have to go with authorized apps, and here you will see all the authorized apps. And you can easily link to your Discord account to Fivem. So that's it guys. How to link Discord to Fivem server. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.